Mom had 20 eggs. So she fried 1/4 of the eggs. So how many did she use? So this is how to solve it. So 1/4 of 20 were used. That means you now write 1/4 of 20 eggs were used. So you now change this one with multiplication. Remember, in this context, of means multiplication. So you write 1/4 of multiplication 20. So all over 1. So you now divide. You observe 4 can divide 20. That means 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 20 is 5. So what you have up is 1 multiplied by 5 over 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 times 5 is 5 over 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 1 over 1 is 5. So mom used 5 eggs. In fact, she fried